So, good day everyone. I'm going to discuss about road vehicle performance, specifically uh, fuel efficiency. But before that, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sheena M. Barredo. I am 22 years old and I'm currently residing at Medina Playa, Davao City. And I'm taking up Bachelor's of Science in Civil Engineering, major in Structural Engineering. And my friends call me Sheng. So, before I start my report, I would like to answer these three questions. So, in the future administration, what changes do you want to be implemented? I would like to see changes in the medical areas implemented in the Philippines future administration. Because in the Philippines, the healthcare system is of high standard and medical personnel in the Philippines are well trained. But the facilities are lacking and a low doctor to patient ratio is also noticeable, which is extremely concerning. Furthermore, there is a lack of price transparency, resulting in consumers overpaying for standard medical tests and treatments and a loss of trust in healthcare systems. So all of these problems come from a lack of funds in the healthcare system because doctors, nurses, and other medical personnel in the Philippines receive insufficient government benefits, and as a result, there is also manpower shortage. And the current government spends very little money on initiatives and programs, resulting in significant out-of-pocket spending and widening the gap between rich and poor. So to ensure that everyone has equitable access to healthcare, I want to boost the healthcare budget so that millions of Filipinos, especially in the lower class, have access to basic healthcare. So what is your favorite color and how do you associate this color to your life? So blue is my favorite color and the color blue is associated with reliability. I've learned to be fairly independent as the oldest sister of four siblings, and my siblings relied on me because my mother couldn't care for us all at once. As a result, I've gained the ability to be self-sufficient and dependable. What are your expectations in this subject during the duration of this class? I expect that from this, I mean, our classes from this subject will broaden our understanding of the issues covered in this subject, as well as I'm hoping for a comprehensive approach, real-life examples, and hands-on training from our subject. So, road vehicle performance. Vehicle performance is the basis for standards on road design and the examination of roads. For instance, the design of highways require fundamental understanding of the performance of vehicles in order for us to determine the length of road acceleration, the acceleration lanes, maximum car ratings, side stops, side distances, and many accident prevention systems. And also in the selection of design and control devices, the definition of speed limits and timing and monitoring of traffic signal systems, vehicle performance is also a significant concern. So today, under road vehicle performance, we are going to discuss, I am going to tackle about fuel efficiency, specifically defining what is fuel efficiency and determine the factors affecting fuel efficiency. So what is fuel efficiency? Fuel efficiency measures the distance a motor vehicle can travel on a single gallon of gas. It also measures the effort required to convert chemical energy from fuel into kinetic energy that your car needs to move. So fuel efficiency refers to I mean, refers to the ability of a vehicle to extract energy from fuel. And the more energy a vehicle can extract from fuel, the greater fuel efficiency the vehicle is said to have. Similarly, the less energy a vehicle extracts, the less fuel efficiency the vehicle is. Next. So what are the factors that affect fuel efficiency? So I'm going to show you a video about the factors that may affect fuel efficiency.
Let's take a minute or two to talk about fuel efficiency. The ratings you see on the windows of new vehicles and on the web reflect the results of specific tests done by manufacturers in laboratories on dynamometers which simulate different conditions. While the ratings are achievable if you drive with fuel efficiency in mind, it's important to remember that a number of factors can have a dramatic effect on your fuel consumption. Driving behavior, rapid acceleration, speeding, driving at an inconsistent speed, and even extended idling can increase your fuel consumption. The smoother you drive, the better your results will be. Drive smarter and reduce your fuel consumption by up to 25%. Weather. The colder it is, the worse your fuel consumption will be. Poorer driving conditions, more friction, different types of fuel, it all adds up. A drop in temperature from 24 to 7 degrees can increase fuel consumption in urban commutes from 12 to 28%. In the summer, air conditioning robs engine power. And open windows at highway speed can make your car much less aerodynamic, increasing fuel consumption too. Weight. It's a fact that lighter cars use less fuel. For every 25 kilograms of weight you add to a mid-sized car, you'll worsen your fuel economy by 1 percentage point. So, lighten up. Aerodynamics. Today's vehicles are designed to slip easily through the air. Bike or ski racks or cargo boxes can increase your fuel consumption by up to 20%, so don't keep them on your vehicle unless you're using them. Route planning and congestion. It just makes sense to think about where you're going before you leave. Check conditions and traffic or construction reports, and you'll save time and fuel. Here's the bottom line. While choosing an efficient vehicle is very important, how, where, and when you drive has a big effect on your fuel consumption and how much you contribute to harmful emissions. Think about it.
Now, given the factors discussed in the video, there are other elements that determine a vehicle's fuel efficiency. And one of the most critical determinants relates to engine design. So engine designs that increase the quantity of air entering the combustion chamber, improve fuel delivery to the combustion chamber, and decrease internal engine friction leads to improved fuel efficiency. Next is mechanical components. So improvements in other mechanical components such as decreasing slippage and improving the mechanical efficiency of the transmission and drive shafts also increase the overall fuel efficiency. Finally, improved tire designs with lower rolling resistance can improve overall fuel efficiency. I think that will be all for my report. Thank you for listening. Bye.